Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thank you for coming to watch this Kokorosa Studio unboxing today. So I have some dies that they sent me, and if you're not familiar with Kokorosa, they do sell mainly metal dies for your die cutting machines, and also they have stamps and paper products, inks, brushes, and pens and things like that, other crafty things. So they picked out 3 dies and they sent me the links for them and asked me if I would do some projects with them. And I said, yeah, I think I could work with those. So I did want to mention that their shipping has gone up due to the tariffs, like many other companies are having to do this. Shipping has gone up to $9.99. But if you spend $40, you can still get free shipping. So that's not too bad. And you can save 25% anytime with my code Diana25, even if you've ordered before. So now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at these dies. And I did remove them from their packaging so that this would go a little faster. And if we have time, I'll be able to do a project at the end. So enough talking. Here's the first die. And I think they called this the conch shell background die. And this is what it would look like on the front of an A2 size card. So that looks like it would be fun. And here's their cute packaging. I just love that. I'm saving those, but I don't know why. So this is another background die. This one comes with some flowers here. And let me show you what that would look like. So we have these stars in between, and they just call this the flower background die, flower and cross background die. So it has here a place to put a sentiment, and then you have these floral pieces and 2 flower pieces there. So that'll be fun. And the last one is these little cats holding umbrellas. So this is what this looks like. That's really cute. Oh, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 umbrellas. That's cute. Oh, let me see what this measures, kind of. So if we're including that other cat, it's 3.5 by 3 inches, just about. So, the links for these and the prices will be in the description box for you. And I think we do have time to make a project. So let me get set up and I'll be right back. So I have this paper from Echo Park that I've been wanting to use. It's called Magical Birthday Girl. I've had it for a while. And it has some black accents in it, and I really like that. So I have this card base cut out. It's 5.5 by 4.25. And I have this Black Mirror cardstock. I don't want to flash it in your eyes, but that's what it looks like. And I'm going to cut it down to fit the not only the front of the card, but cut it down so it matches this background die here. So I just need to take a little bit off of each side. So I think it was about 1/4 of an inch on this side. And what was that? Okay, we need to go to 5.5 on this one. All right, we're done with this for now. And I am going to take these flowers off of here, I think. Oh, maybe I can leave them on. Let me just make sure that's the right size. Yep. All right, I am going to take these off. I haven't decided yet. So you're going to flip this over, put it on top of the cardstock, and then run it through your die cutting machine. I probably should tape this down with some washi tape. The mirror cardstock is a little bit thick, so goes through a little bit hard. Okay, and so these black diamonds are all going to pop out. Hopefully we have enough of an edge. Why aren't I using a pokey tool? You know why? Sometimes it scratches up the cardstock, this mirror cardstock, but you can probably just use your fingers. Oh, aren't those a cool shape, huh? Now, if you ran this through a few times with a few different colors, you could probably make something interesting with these. But for now, we're not going to use them. We're always thinking, aren't we? So now we have to poke our piece out that we want to put on that blue cardstock. Look at that. I think that came out very nice. Okay. We don't need the die cutting machine anymore. We don't need the... Well, unless I decide to use the flowers. I'll be right back. So guess what? Crazy Lady decided to change her mind. I'm going to use this mirror cardstock on top of my card base, and I'm going to cut this out again using this paper. I just think I would like this better. So you guys know how it is. So let me get this out, and we're going to cut this to... Oh, you have to go this way. I'm going to run this through the die cutting machine, and I'll be right back again. These pieces are all falling out good. I won't need to do a thing to those. You know how tedious it can be poking all those little things out. Well, let's get this out. All right, so now we have this with that little bit of black, and I like that. So what I'm going to do is glue this mirror cardstock down with the glue. My frame here. Move that. And after I glue that, I may cut that card down a little bit on the side. Should have had my glue ready. Let's see how we do. Scratch, scratch, scratch. where this is a bit of heavier cardstock, I want to make sure I have enough glue on there. And I'll save this piece to make another card. So let's see. The top and bottom are going to be so I'm going to get my roller, which is where, and just flatten that out. And now we're going to be putting this on top of here. Yes, I like it. That's the thing with the double-sided paper. Sometimes you like the other side of it too. So I'll try to figure out how to speed things up as I'm doing this. You actually don't have to put glue in every place. Would have helped if I had my right glasses on too. And it's very hard not to smear the glue on the mirror cardstock. So we want to make sure we get it right in place. So you don't want this sliding around. Okay, well, we can't be totally perfect. We can be almost perfect, right, guys? Okay, so there we have that. So let's take a look at the flowers that we got and how they would look. I don't know. Maybe we could do a couple of different flowers for a birthday card. But I want this to be a fun birthday card. So I'm not sure if flowers are doing it for me. Let me see what else I have. So I had this cute birthday sticker in my stash for a while. I think Gina from Gina Likes to Craft sent it to me. So I cut out a square of blue paper, and I think we're going to put it on there and use that. So sometimes these stickers are kind of hard to lift up. So this could take me a minute. So I'll be right back. Well, this wasn't so bad. Let's get our little balloon on there. And our little cloud. Of course, you notice there's a bunny in the picture, right? And don't give me a hard time, little cloud. Oh no, don't be crooked. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, should we round off the corners? Maybe. Maybe just a little. Just to make it look a little more what? Extra. And I think this should be popped up a little bit too. So I have a square of blue foam, and this has the sticky on the back. So I'm just going to stick it on there. Oh, did I put it the wrong way? Almost. Maybe it goes this way. All right, dance music. Okay, so I think that's going to go right there. And then I have had this sticker for the longest time, probably 3 years. And I think today is the day I'm going to use it. It says, "Ain't no party like this party." Now, it came with another card that I had bought. So I am going to stick this up on foam too. And maybe we'll have a little bit of that paper showing. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, gonna cut off a little bit more. I don't know if we should glue it. Ooh, I didn't know it was gonna be see-through. Nope, I'm gonna need something else. Okay, I think now we can put the blue foam on the back. I didn't know that the letters were gonna be see-through. So, just a little bump in the road, right? All right, now we can get some glue on here. Things can sure throw loops at you. No, that isn't what they're saying. Throw you for a loop. That's what I meant. Just when you think things are going good. So let's stick this down here. Let's glue our little girl and bunny down. And then maybe we'll be done. Of course, I'd like to put something inside. Just a little something. Let's get this on here straight. There we go. So, that looks like a birthday card to me. It's going to be. So, thank you, Kokorosa, for allowing me to use this product. And next time I'll probably use the flowers and make something else with that. You can make the card a totally different vibe. Just by adding other things. So thank you very much, and stay till the end, because you know when I say I'm done, I'm never done. So stay till the end. Stars.